Thank you very much, Professor. I'm really grateful for this opportunity to. But that was also meant. We don't need to build this, and this place used to be my office. And this is the crisis. This is the crisis because for them, one state solution is not. Students, they are acting like doctors in the hospitals because the hospital. To give the very clear message for the whole world, yes, they just destroyed our infrastructure, yes, they destroyed our buildings, yes, they did all what they did, but we are still alive. And we will just continue because this is actually a responsibility for our students, for our nation, and for our independent state in the future. We got 10,000. It was really for me shocking because, you know, like, just imagine, I mean, you live in a tent. You have no electricity, you have no internet, you have nothing at all. But you still have the hope to go to sign up for online courses and to walk for 5 kilos to get internet connection.